Hey guys, it's your boy Arky, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make animated ramps for FiveM. So first of all, you wanna go and go to my Discord. It'll be in the description, and you want to go subscribe and get the role so you can see the temps, and download this one. Just open up. So just drag it into your desktop. I'm just gonna replace one because I already have one, but yeah. You want to make a new folder called ramps, and then just open OpenIV. Then as usual, if any of these are open, just close them, and then just drag the RPF file that you just downloaded into the empty space. Context, just keep opening them until you find the YTD and the YDR, and then press edit mode. You want to go to the textures. You want to export selected, and just export all of them. You could do export all textures, but you don't need all of them. And then just put them into that. Make sure the PNG, and then I'll get back to you when I've exported them all. Make sure you do the other one as well. Okay guys, I've just exported all of them, so now I'm just going to go off of that and we'll open up Photoshop. So when you're on Photoshop, you just want to press open. You want to like drag all of these and just press open. And then this is the one where it's going to be on the whole thing. I want to make a Chrome one, so I'm just going to search up on Google. So guys, I found the one that I want. I might as well just use this. So I'm just gonna copy it, and then edit, paste, Control T, put it in the corner, and then just boom, make it a little bit bigger so it fits on the screen. There we go. Make it a little bit more better quality. So now so just go to image and then image size and put this resolution to 300. And then press Z and then fit on screen and then zoom out, and then zoom out as well. Then when you're here, you just want to press file, save, PNG. I just want to replace that, boom. Then you just want to keep changing them, so I'm just going to change this one to this. I just want to make this black because this is the small skates next to the ramps. This is kind of like the small ramps. So I'm just going to do that. For this one, I'm just going to make it all black. Yeah, it's just the small ramps. You could do it any color. You could add texture for it as well. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to start saving them. So save. Go to this one. Save. Go to this one, save. Go to this one, save. PNG. Which one's this one? So it's the one with the top, so it's this one. Just want to replace that. Again, save. Make sure it's PNG or it would not work. It's this one. Double click, replace. Save. I think we've already saved this one, but I'm just going to do it again. Yeah. Save. Now I am going to Just minimize that, close that. So let's open OpenIV again, and if you've closed it, just drag that file again into the empty space, but I've not. So I'm just gonna start replacing them. So texture, so which one have we, right, so this one replace, this one replace. That was already black, so we didn't need to replace that one. If you're like struggling to know which one, look at that propagate. Where's propagate? So it's that one. So you just double click. This one, right click that. This one is that one. This one is that one, and this one is that one. And then you just have to wait. Okay, I've done it, so I'm just gonna press save. Okay, I've just done the what I did. I'm just gonna do this one as well. So there weren't a lot to do off this, but I'm just gonna do it just in case. So that one was that. That one was that. And then that was it. There was only these two. You can replace them. Okay, now you've done. You won't be able to see it in here, as you can see. Look. It's just gonna look like that. It's gonna have like the writing that you did, and that's all it's gonna look like. But let's check it in game. I'm gonna show you how to put it in game. To get to your mods folder, you press right click on your FiveM, open file location. Or if you don't know how to do that, search up FiveM, right click, open file location. So you want to go to FiveM application data, and then mods, and then if you have any other ramps, which I do, so you could delete them, but I'm just gonna put them to the side. Actually no, I'm gonna delete it, actually, my god. I've deleted it, and then I'm just gonna put that into the side, and then it's boom. Now you can just load up FiveM. I'll see you when I'm in the game. So guys, we are in game, and this is what it looks like from afar, but when you get closer, I've messed up the PNG on here, but as you can see, they do move. So yeah guys, I have messed up the PNG on this, as it's a bit blurry. When you're looking for a PNG, make sure it's good res and stuff like that, unless it's going to turn out like this. But have a good one.